Welcome! This is a quick walkthrough of your semester planner and GPA calculator, full version. This system isn't just about calculating grades. It's designed to help you understand where you stand, how reliable your grades are, and what actions actually matter, all throughout the semester. Your workspace is built around 3 connected tools, each with a clear role. Everything starts in the class schedule. This is where you add the courses you're taking this semester, credits, schedule, professor details, and course progress. But more importantly, this is where the system understands how far along each course really is, so grades are always shown with the right context. Next is the assignment tracker. Here you enter your assignments, their weight, and the grade you receive, always as percentages. Once an assignment is linked to a course, the system automatically calculates weighted scores, updates course progress, adjusts grade reliability, and recalculates GPA safely in the background. You never need to do the math yourself. Finally, the GPA Tracker and Gradebook bring everything together. Here you'll see your current score by course, context-aware grade messages, quality points and credits, and your overall GPA, always accurate, always stable. What makes this different is that grades are not treated as final until they're truly reliable. Early grades are clearly marked as early signals, while later grades reflect near final outcomes. You'll notice some fields have a lock icon. These are protected fields that calculate everything for you. They prevent accidental errors and keep the system stable even as your data grows. Fields with a pencil icon are where you enter your own information. And whenever you see a list icon, it's where you need to choose from a drop-down. This way you avoid mistakes and stay consistent. That's the big picture. In the next video, we'll walk through adding your courses and setting up your semester the right way, so everything else works automatically from day one.